To make a USB adapter for the Logitech Shifter, we will need an Arduino Leonardo, a DB9 plug, a USB cable, and wires for the connections. The shifter works by using internal potentiometers on the X and Y axis to read its position of the gears from 1 through to 6. The reverse position is activated by a switch inside the shifter. We can connect to the existing plug on the shifter by using a DB9 connection socket. The pins on the socket are numbered from right to left, with the top row numbered from 1 to 5 and the bottom row numbered from 6 to 9. The first step is to cut 6 lengths of wire for the connections between the socket and the Arduino. Strip the ends of the wires and tin the ends with solder. 2 lengths of the wires have the ends connected together, and this will become the main power connection. So now we will have the 6 wires prepared, 1 green wire for the reverse switch, 2 yellow wires for the X and Y axis, 1 black wire for the ground connection, and 2 red wires connected at one end for the power connections. On the DB9 socket, we can add solder to pins 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 and 8. The next step is to solder the wires onto the pins in the following order. For the top row of pins on the socket, solder the green wire to pin 2. On pin 3, solder one of the red power wires. And on pin 4, solder 1 wire for the X-axis. Next, work on the bottom row of pins and solder 1 black ground wire to pin 6, 1 red power wire to pin 7, and 1 yellow wire to pin 8. Now we have the wires soldered to pins 2, 3 and 4 on the top row and pins 6, 7 and 8 on the bottom row. Taking note the 2 power wires are soldered together at the ends. The next step is to plug the wires into the Arduino. The green wire from pin 2 to terminal 2, the yellow wire from pin 4 to A0 and the yellow wire from pin 8 to A2. The black wire into the ground terminal on the Arduino, and the 2 red wires that are connected together into the 5V connection. With all the wires connected, we can plug a USB cable from a PC into the Arduino. The next step is to download and install the Arduino software to a PC. For the sketch to work, we also need to download and install the joystick library into the Arduino's library. Next, download and open the USB sketch with the Arduino application. From the Tools menu, select the Arduino Leonardo board and check the correct communication port is selected. Then click on Verify and Upload. With the upload complete, we can now check the function of the shifter in the Arduino's properties found in the control panels. With the USB adapter tested and complete, the shifter can now be mapped in-game and used as a standalone USB item independent of the wheelbase.